Alright, for my Lab 7, I used the right side for the alarm, or for the clock, and the left side for the alarm. I used the first switch to turn on the alarm, and for the left and right will be the minutes. Left will be minute up, and then right will be minute down. And then I used up and down buttons for the seconds, so they'll go up and then seconds go down. And yeah, so when the clock hits the alarm, the song should go off.